And here's I will show you how to find and follow someone on Bluesky social. So if you newly created a brand new Bluesky account and now you want to find someone, here's how to do it. Go ahead and open the Bluesky. And now to find someone, tap on this magnifying glass icon at the bottom and tap on the search box. And in here, just type the account or username whom you want to search. Tap on the search icon. And here, you can select top, you can select latest, and to find out a people, select here people using the name. And here you will find users on Bluesky social. Just tap on follow, and that's how you will be able to follow someone, find and follow someone on Bluesky. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.